Hey, what's up? I have one of the cheapest smart robot vacuum cleaners on the market. You can buy it on Amazon for only $160. The vacuum cleaner is called MOOSOO and it has a model name of MT-501. The robot vacuum cleaner has 1800 pascals suction power, 100 minutes of battery life, different cleaning modes, up remote control, and many other features. So why is it cheaper than other robot vacuum cleaners on the market? Let's find out. Robot vacuum cleaner from MOOSOO comes in a simple white box. You can see the image of a vacuum cleaner on the front side and specifications list on the back. The box is sturdy, so you don't have to worry about the safety of the device during delivery. Inside the box, you will find the user manual, robot vacuum cleaner itself, charging dock, charging adapter, many side brushes. Actually, there are 6 brushes, 2 of them are attached to robot vacuum cleaner, while the rest are spare for filters and remote control. Very nice. Now let's talk about appearance of a robot vacuum cleaner. First, it comes only in black color. The size of a vacuum cleaner is 310 by 310 by 65 mm, while the weight is 2375 grams. On the top, there is only power button and a Wi-Fi indicator light. The dust box is located on the back. By the way, it has a capacity of 0.6 liters. As you can see, there is no water tank, so the robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have a mopping function. On the bottom, there are 2 side brushes, the main brush, 2 wheels, the central 360 degrees spinning wheel, and charging contacts. There are many different sensors around the case, which prevents the robot vacuum cleaner from hitting furniture and walls or falling off the steps or even table. So far, everything looks very good. It is a pity that MOOSOO robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have the function of wet cleaning. But don't forget that it is one of the cheapest robot vacuum cleaners on the market. Now I suggest to open Amazon product page and talk about main features of the robot vacuum cleaner. First, the vacuum cleaner from MOOSOO has suction power of 1800 pascals and a 3-stage cleaning system. I think that means 3 brushes, 2 side brushes and 1 central brush. The battery capacity of this vacuum cleaner is 2500 mAh. The manufacturer promises up to 100 minutes of cleaning time. There is also auto recharge function. It means the robot vacuum cleaner automatically returns to charging base when the battery is low, and then go back to the cleaning when the battery is charged. The other features are intelligent protection, edge cleaning, preset cleaning, cyclone 3D cleaning system. Now let's see how to use this robot vacuum cleaner. As I already said, there is a remote control in the package, so you can use it to control the robot vacuum cleaner. You can choose the cleaning mode and manually control the direction of a vacuum cleaner. However, if you want more functions, then you have to install the app on smartphone. The name of the app is Smart Life, Smart Living. It is available on Android and iOS devices. When you open the app, click on blue icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Then select Smart Home Appliance and choose Robot Vacuum. Then connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now you have to reset the device. For that, press and hold power button on the top and flip the switch on the side face. When you hear the long beep, you can release the power button. Then wait until the robot vacuum cleaner will be connected. That's all. The main screen of the app looks like this. You can see cleaning time, remaining battery life, and cleaning area at the bottom. There are also switch, play pause cleaning, smart cleaning, wall follow, spiral cleaning, auto charge, manual control, and settings. In the settings menu you can choose the suction power between low, medium, and high. There is also a timer to set up the cleaning schedule. By the way, when the robot vacuum cleaner starts cleaning, you will see a map of the room on the main screen. Okay, now let's do some cleaning tests. I threw some garbage on the floor. Let's see how the vacuum cleaner handles it. As I said before, the robot vacuum cleaner has several cleaning modes. There is a smart mode, so it will automatically clean the house. But also you can use the manual control. You can control the direction of the vacuum cleaner yourself. This is very good. MOOSOO robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have laser navigation like many other more expensive vacuum cleaners. That means the robot vacuum cleaner is a little lost in the room. It can go the other way from the garbage. In general, MOOSOO robot vacuum cleaner did a good job. First, the small debris was scattered around, but then all the garbage has been collected. It took about 15 minutes. So I think MOOSOO robot vacuum cleaner is a useful device for home. Its main advantage is low price, only $160 on Amazon. Yes, it doesn't have mopping function and there is only one map in the app, but the suction power and battery life are good. There are also many cleaning modes, such as manual, auto, spiral, polo, etc. The robot vacuum cleaner automatically returns to the charging base when the battery is dead. I also like that MOOSOO vacuum cleaner has a spare side brushes and filters in the package. You know, the other manufacturers sell filters and brushes additionally. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this robot vacuum cleaner, I will leave the link in description under the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.